Hello everyone, and welcome to my page dedicated to sustainable and responsible investing. The aim of the short video is to introduce you to the notion of sustainable investing, its capabilities, and its limitations. The video will be uploaded in several parts. I will split sustainable investing into two terms: sustainable or sustainability, and investments or investing. We will start with investments. As a user of UMushroom, you probably know what being investing in something means. People invest in publicly listed financial instruments for various reasons. For example, not to hold cash during inflation or participate in market growth opportunities. The essential point is to earn return on one's investments. In this sense, one would buy a product that generates the highest return in the current economic environment. Easy, right? Next, I will elaborate on how the sustainability story comes into play. Hope you find the information useful and will eventually put your responsible investments into motion. Sustainability is a broad term and can be defined in various ways. One of the most used definitions of sustainability or sustainable